It's the moment of truth. Will all of this stuff fall on top of me? Come with me to find out. It is day 2 of moving time, and as you can see, I empty everything on the little cabinets I had there. I empty those boxes. I pack up my things in the original boxes, my printer, my sewing machine. The Cricuts are ready to go. The paper pads are ready to go. This side is also empty. I think the first question you might have is the floor space of this room. I'm probably gonna add it right now down on the screen. It kind of looks smaller than what it really is, because seriously, all the stuff I showed you earlier, I fill them up in here. With the exception of my sewing machine, I could not fit it, but it's okay because I don't really know how to sew. I actually just saw a piece of paper or so. What I want to show you first is this area, which is to my right. It's a special gift my brother gifted to me. I just got him a leaf. It's a simple paper leaf. I just hand cut that, even though I don't like hand cutting. That was a flower I made a while ago for one of the videos, and to promote my center rosebud, which is on sale on Etsy. Sponsored by DLR Paper Creations. Just kidding. I have my handsome husband there, even though you cannot see him, and his handsome car, or awesome car, or super duper car. He likes cars. You get the point. That's my charro hat, and that was a gift for my auntie. I don't know if this is like a craft closet or a memento closet, because I bet you're noticing that I have too many mementos, like too many special things that they gave me. That storage, I have some envelopes in there, my laminator, and all the cartridges, like the physical cartridges from my Cricut. And those are pads from Michael's. That's the latest one I bought. This year my goal is not to buy another one, which I already failed because I bought one till I actually use them. That's my sticker drawer, and this because it's not organized, but all of my stickers, rhinestones, 3D. A special gift from Bori Cordero. She has a channel here on YouTube, and she makes beautiful pieces just like Donna. This was actually from Donna's Whimsical Treasure swap, which was the friendship umbrella. This one is a Donna Whimsical's Treasure. She made me that one. And I add the little flag, and there's some beautiful pins in there, and that's from Bori. I have some of my sprays in there, some glue spray, some random stuff up there, mason jar, some of my favorite anime, and I add that sticker yesterday. Why? Because if I sit here and I look up, I can see that every time I look up. Haha. Isn't it true? I think so. I love cameras, even though that one doesn't work. That one does work, but I haven't bought the film. That's an original one, so I don't like the small. The new ones are cute, but they're too small pictures. That's a teddy bear I was given on Valentine's Day by one of my students. I have my little cutter book station, which has all of the folders I own, and some of them I haven't opened yet because I had a project to do with them. And of course, here's a cutter book, and this is like an all-male organizer. I spray painted a long time ago, but I need a second hand, as you can see, because it gets used. And I don't know why I have that paper, but it's there. Oh, I have this fancy metal I found the other day. My Cricut, the new one, because I have my baby down there too. I use it like in days like today that I don't have internet. There is my precious. I don't know, it's really hard to get rid of it because I love it. It was my very first one. She's like 10 years old, if not more. My printer, the camera space, that's where I store it. That's where I carry it everywhere. Some of the mats. I replaced the mat. I used to have this one. I got it so dirty and messed up that I had to clean it, but then I got the Caterpillar, which, by the way, I own you a review of this. Tell you right now, it's a heads up because I'm working on that video too. This tool right here has replaced, for me, this is my humble opinion, trimmers, cutters, scissors sometimes, or if not most of the times for me. Not stamps, because stamps have that little charm. So I will say, I don't know, maybe like die cuts, because I don't have die cuts. The only thing I have are my folders, because even these, the machine does it too. It's just a longer process, but if you really love using it, I encourage you to try it out, because seriously, I don't think I will have space for a station for all of the die cuts or all of the, I don't know, trimmers, fancy trimmers that are out there. I'm not, you know, sponsored by this brand, but I can be honest with you. I mean, I had that one for 10 years and until that one came out, which is actually the one behind that hat. The white one, I have it right behind the hat. Oh, we forgot about the disc. And as you can see, there's stuff here. Yes, like whenever you're working on something, you don't feel like putting it away. Bam! We all need that junk stuff. Now, I don't like to call it junk because, you know, I already have debate with my husband about calling junk my stuff, so I just say stuff. Here I have my glue gun and some other tools like screwdrivers, my label machine, that car charger. This is like some sort of heat tool. Cutters, you know what I mean? Ask me how many times I use the circle cutter or the freehand cutter. Well, this one is my baby, so I have it since forever. It's really old, but you know, seriously, this one was a gift from my students. Some batteries back there. This is the drawer that hasn't been used in a while, and it's not gonna be used in a while either. This is other stuff, other projects, which is things that I have to work on, but haven't. Random stuff like papers, laminator sheets, pockets, notepads, watercolor paper. Paper scrap. Nothing goes to waste. I should be labeled a zero waste crafter. Seriously, I mean, look at all this stuff. Some of them are mine. Some of them are given by another friend. You know your name. And this is how I organize my cardstock paper.